Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for the headphones Skullcandy Push Ultra. To make a hard reset, you should press and hold both buttons on your left one and right one earbud for at least 10 seconds. After that, put your headphones to the charging case and click on the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Now remove the headphones from the charging case, and it said that it should enter to prank mode automatically, but it's not working with me, so just press and hold the main button on your headphone for at least 3 seconds until it starts blinking to enter prank mode. Then click on it to connect. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.